So on this, the first thing what you're going to do, just write this one as a standard form. So this means just log x base 2 square. So you can write it just like log x base 2 square minus 5 log x base 2 is equal to 4. So we can move to the front, so we can write it is just 2 times log x base 2 minus 5 times log x base 2 is equal to 4. So here let us make let log equal to t, and then we can write it as 2 times t, right, minus 5 times t is equal to 4, right? Then it will be minus 3t is equal to 4, t is equal to minus 4 over 3. Then as you said here, we said log equal to t, so log to minus 4 over 3. This means x is equal to the power of minus 4 over 3. So this is equal to 1 over to the power of 4 over 3. And this is, you can rewrite this one as 1 over to the power of 4 times 1 over 3. Then this will be 1 over the cubed root of 60.